Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you guys, I have some great news. Some of you guys already know that I am going to be launching my own online business. Yay! So I'm really excited about this, you guys. You guys were the ones who gave me the idea to start this. So in this video, I'm going to be introducing the products that are going to be featured on my online store. And these products are going to be based off of the recipes that are already on my channel. So I will be featuring 3 products on my online store. The reason I decided to choose 3 products were because these 3 products are actually what I use on my hair on a regular basis. So I just didn't want to I don't know, make up some recipe and just be like, here, you guys, buy this. But I wanted to make sure that it was products that I actually use on my hair, that I've actually seen results, and I wanted these products to be formulated to help with hair growth, because that's what my channel is about, growing your hair. So the first product is going to be the Kreyol Lily Fenugreek and Aloe Vera hair serum, and this hair serum contains fenugreek seeds, rosemary oil, 100% pure organic aloe vera oil, and it has essential oils, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, ginger oil, spearmint oil, and anise oil. So this serum is based off of a video that I have on my channel where I show you guys how to make aloe vera oil. So since I'm going to be selling this serum, I'm not making it the same way I did in that video. It's definitely I bought actual 100% pure organic aloe vera oil, so there's no cooking involved. And then I added the essential oils to it, as well as the fenugreek seeds and the rosemary leaves to the actual serum, so that way it's just always infusing into the oil. So the clip that you guys are looking at right now is a clip from my video where I show you guys how to make aloe vera oil, and I just wanted to show you guys where the inspiration for this serum came from. And as you can see, I added rosemary to it. The oil was olive oil, and then I added some aloe vera to it, and then I just let it simmer over like medium to low heat, and that's how I made the aloe vera oil. But like I said, once again, this is just the this what inspired that oil. This is not how I actually make it. So with the aloe vera oil, it contains enzymes which helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, and it prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. And fenugreek seeds are known to be high in protein, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. And fenugreek seeds treats a variety of scalp issues such as dryness of the hair and baldness and thinning of hair. The seeds also help in moisturizing your hair and bringing your hair back, bringing the hair's luster and bounce back. So what you want to do with this hair serum is you want to apply directly to your scalp. I would suggest using it at least twice a week to see results. If you want to, you can use it daily. It's your choice. And I'll also suggest putting a few drops into the palm of your hand and just applying it to your ends, because that's the oldest part of your hair. So the second product that's going to be featured on my online store is going to be the aloe vera buttercream. And this buttercream contains aloe vera oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, black castor oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, anise oil, ginger oil, spearmint oil, and MSM powder. So this oil can be applied on damp or dry hair. Apply small amount of cream onto hands, rub together and work throughout hair. Do not rinse out. Style as usual. Use daily or as often as needed. So I'm going to be inserting a clip of a video on my channel where I show you guys how to make the aloe vera butter. So the ingredients are pretty much the same. The only difference is that instead of using fresh aloe vera juice, I'm just going to be using the 100% organic aloe vera oil instead. And then also I added a few more essential oils, and instead of using the apricot oil, I am using the avocado oil. And then also when it comes to the MSM powder, I'm using pure organic MSM powder. So MSM is a chemical compound that contains sulfur, which is one of the primary building blocks for your hair. So MSM can increase the rate of your hair growth since it elongates the phase of the hair growth cycle. Shea butter reduces hair breakage, split ends, and improves the shine and bounce of your hair. Cocoa butter has healing and softening properties that will make your hair healthy and shiny. So this aloe vera buttercream video is where I just got a lot of comments. People were just suggesting that I start selling this butter, or people were like they would buy it for me, and I was at first I was like, no, I don't sell it. No, I'm not going to sell it, like, because this is stuff that I just make for myself. So it's like, I don't mind sharing it with you guys on YouTube, and if you guys decided to make it yourself, then that's cool. But to actually sell it, that's a different thing, because of course I want you guys to enjoy the product. I want you guys to see results, and I really want this to work for you guys as much as it worked for me. So I was kind of hesitant about actually like selling hair growth related type of products, but that's why I decided to focus on just 3 products for now, because I've seen some really great results with using these 3 products. So I do plan on adding more product as time goes on, but right now I'm just starting with these 3 main products. It took a lot of time, a lot of energy, especially with the Rona going on. Things were set back so much, and then also I work full time, so just trying to get everything done and just trying to make sure that this is just a great product. It really took a lot of time and energy, so I'm really excited to announce this my online store coming out is going to be this Saturday. I'll leave the link to the website down in the description box. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. Oh, I want to thank you guys for those who already signed up for the emailing list. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate the support. And, I couldn't have done this without first the Lord's help, and then, you guys supporting my channel and just suggesting that you guys would actually like buy this from me. Like that's what's crazy about it. I was like, I think that's what made me hesitant for the longest, because I was like, you want to buy this for me? But that's why I put, like, I had to change the ingredients, and I wanted to put a little bit more research into it, and I looked up more like hair growth oils and things like that, just to make a great combination for you guys. So I just really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm probably just rambling right now, but I'm just super excited, like, and nervous at the same time. Because I really want you guys to enjoy these products. I really do. But yeah, so right now I'm using the hair butter. Just I'm getting preparing my hair for a, well, not really preparing my hair, but I'm moisturizing my hair and doing a protective style. So I'm doing medium slash small twist in my hair, and what I'm doing is I applied a leave-in conditioner, and then I followed up with the aloe vera butter. So you could definitely use this butter. I would suggest using it at least twice a week for results, and you can use it daily if you would like to as well. But it's really moisturizing, and I feel like you can go days without using this, to be honest. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you guys, I did add a natural preservative to this butter as well, because if you plan on using this, you know, your hands are wet and you dip your hands in here, I don't want any type of bacteria building on the butter. So, yeah. And my third product, which is my henna oil. So if you guys been on my channel watching my videos for a very long time now, you know that this henna oil is my thing. Okay, so I had to feature this on my channel. So I recently had a protective style in for 4 months, and I have monthly updates on that. If you guys want to check out that, I'll leave those linked in the description box as well. And throughout that 4 month journey, I would spray my hair with the aloe vera leave-in, and then I would seal my hair in with the henna oil. So now I made this henna oil a little different. Right now I'm inserting a clip of the recipe that inspired this henna oil, and of course I made it a little different. I added some more ingredients to it. So the ingredients to this henna oil is henna powder, amla powder, bringresh powder, hibiscus powder, shikakai powder, and fenugreek powder, neem powder, brummy powder, gentamenza powder, olive oil, coconut oil, black Jamaican castor oil, peppermint oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, anise oil, ginger oil, as well as spearmint oil. The natural properties of henna help promote hair growth. It can help reduce hair fall. Henna directly affects the scalp, assisting in improving hair follicle health. This helps curb hair fall and also prevents and corrects hair thinning. Amla powder helps in increasing the scalp circulation and stimulate healthy hair growth. Vitamin C of amla produces collagen protein. This helps in stimulating hair growth, both length and volume wise. Brimraj powder is used to help prevent hair loss, premature graying, and promoting hair growth by stimulating blood circulation, thereby revitalizing hair follicles. Brummy powder is an excellent hair growth promoter. It helps repair hair follicles as well as strengthen the scalp tissue to encourage healthy hair growth. This powder also supports scalp circulation, which in turn nourishes hair follicles and reduces hair loss. Shikakai is a great source of essential vitamins. The vitamin C found in shikakai can help promote hair growth by giving your scalp a collagen boost. It is also a great source of antioxidants that help prevent free radical damage. Neem powder increases blood circulation in the scalp to get rid of dandruff, giving relief to itchy scalp, leaving clean, healthy scalp, therefore stimulating hair follicles to promote hair growth. So I will be leaving in the description box a description of the benefits to the hair oils, butters, and the powders that I will be using in my hair products. So as I said previously, I have a video on my channel where I show you guys that I had my hair in for 4 months, and when I took my hair down, I measured how much my hair has grown, and on, I believe, the left side of my hair, I gained 2.5 inches of new growth, and then on the other side I had gained about 3 inches of new growth in a span of 4 months. And like I said, I was using my aloe vera leave-in and the henna oil to seal in everything. And as you can see in this clip right here, I am using the henna oil. So this is like a few days after I did my mini twist or medium twist, however you want to call it. And I'm just going to massage the henna oil into my scalp as well as on my ends, and I like to do this at least twice a week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me introducing my products. I hope I did a good job of explaining everything. And like I said again, my store will be opening up this Saturday the 22nd at 2 p.m. I'm going to leave the details down in the description box, and I just hope you guys, are there and you purchase, and I hope once you get your products you guys will enjoy them as much as I've enjoyed making them. And I just appreciate you guys so much for your support, for you guys always just watching my videos, liking, commenting, those who subscribed, I thank you so much, and those who suggested that I start selling this stuff, I thank you so much as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.